What's up? Big Herc 916, Muscle Up. I'm back in Los Angeles. Yeah, I know I say that I got the hell out of California, but I'm always back here. Well, I come back once a month to work and keep it pushing. But today's the Beverly Hills Car Show, so I figure I'd come out here and get some footage of the car show so you can see what they're working with out here in Beverly Hills. I know it's been a minute since I filmed the car video, but that is because my car is back in the shop, getting some work done, and hopefully it will be back in my hands within a week or so. So I will keep you posted on that, and I'm also going to be checking on the Chevelle, so look for that video too. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let's go check out some cars and muscle up.
My little wild.
Yes. That's crazy. Cadillac right here is pretty sick. 1980
Look how much they had to rake
Cadillac. Wow.
That's how much they chopped it.
This is the Cadillac Corvette.
They put a Cadillac on it.
See, you look at the distance between the original.
Oh yeah.
So they chopped that much.
Wow.
To rake it back. So they built this piece.
So this is an 80 Corvette chassis with a Cadillac.
With a Cadillac, yeah.
Because look at the seats. Remember the
Yeah.
old Corvette, 80s Corvette?
Look, let me see that. I don't know. It looks awfully wide to me.
No, that's Corvette.
Nah.
That's Corvette right there.
Yeah.
I have one. Yeah, it's an 80 Corvette. Wow. So he put this on. I wonder if it's
Dude,
fiberglass
this
in,
is
huh?
so much work. It's fiberglass.
No, it's metal.
It's
Wow.
metal? Holy shit.
Even the trunk.
This thing is- yeah.
Somebody's got some.
So this is all metal right here. Wow.
Metal.
So I wonder if he has a stock chassis on here then. You know what I mean? Because that's a heavier. It's a lot.
No, because it depends on what he's got on it.
So this guy really got down on this, man. That's a lot of work sitting on a Corvette chassis. Cadillac Row over here. Another classic caddy. Baritz. Big pimpin'.
Are you supposed to sign for that?
'56 Cadillac Eldorado. '59 Eldorado Baritz.
You guys work so hard to do this, and you care so much about us.
So you don't see a lot of these over here, man. This is a Renault rally car.
That would kit it out like this. But this version is just your
1982 R5 Turbo. Now we got some cool Volkswagen buses over here for you Volkswagen fans. These are highly collectible. And this one right here looks like something you would have saw in like a virtual. And this is wide-bodied out. Look at this, 61 microbus. Excuse me. A lot of people, you guys. VW bus. Look at this thing. Wow. This is pretty unique right here. Probably the craziest car here.
Okay, when you make the ride on that, like a
Wide body. Look at that. Kind of has the flares like the Porsche.
Yellow. That's amazing. What year is it?
Enzo for your Ferrari lovers. This is one of my favorite Maseratis, man. This is similar to the Enzo, but I believe it's detuned. But I believe it's the same motor.
25 years ago, Beverly.
A nasty Jag right here.
50,000 miles on her Harley. She told me you'll ride a Harley someday.
I love classics, man. Being that I'm an old soul, I can really relate to these cars. 1955 Jaguar X140. I've seen this Jag before. It's got a Ford 302. So it's got the daily drivability in it. I remember talking to this guy in another car show. It's pretty badass. 64 Jaguar XKE.
Even this.
Got a Lamborghini Espada Series 1 at 68. That's pretty clean. Never seen this car. It's a Plymouth Symmetrica Roadster. Interesting. Clean 68 Camaro. I had to wake my way over here to get a peek at this. Got a supercharged, looks like a LSA motor in it. Looks like some custom interior in here. Billet side mirrors. Oh yeah, it's nice.
That's right, isn't it?
Yeah, he did it right.
That's right.
Beautiful interior, man. Did a good job on this car. Got a nice offset on the wheels too. Clean, man. Yeah, it's clean. A nice Camaro. Ferrari Daytona, Miami Vice, one of my favorite all-time cars. Man, beautiful. I missed my replica, even though it was a replica. It was still dope. This is a monster right here on the track.
I got time when she got freedom.
clean head. So that's a wrap. That's the Father's Day car show out here in Beverly Hills, Rodeo Drive. It's a lot of people, man. It's hard to get a lot of the cars without getting people crossing over. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, muscle up, and share your love for cars. Big Herc 916. Hello, my name is Big Herc 916, and I'm with the Wash Your Ass Committee, and I'm traveling across America helping people wash their ass and get their booty holes clean. And I have with me here today Wash Your Ass soap, and this one in particular is Butt Naked Scrub, but I also have Festival, Oatmeal Milk and Honey, Jamaican Me Crazy, Monkey Farts, and all these scents smell very good. They will help cleanse your body of funk and also make you feel better about yourself. So if you can go to BigHerc916.com, you can pick you up a bar, and my goal is to help America combat funk. Go to the Herc store at BigHerc916.com and pick you up a bar of soap so you can wash that ass, or pick you up some Never Settle for Average merch or some of the Muscleup Car Lifestyle merch. We have hats, Never Settle for Average, got the Muscleup t-shirts. We also have the Never Settle for Average tank tops. Got the Muscleup Car Lifestyle hoodies. Got the beanie caps. Hey man, represent. And I know you guys aren't average, so pick you up some swag and step your game up. Hello, I'm Big Herc 916. Contact me for life coaching and motivational speaking.